What's up, guys? Welcome back to Three Pedal Devils. Today we're doing another carb rebuild because we have too many bikes and we just love rebuilding carbs for some reason. But this time we're going to be working on this. It's a Suzuki Intruder. We rebuilt them once already and it had some kind of misfiring issue. It seemed like one of the cylinders wasn't working. A couple weeks ago, me and Bo took another look at it and realized that one of the carbs was like basically seized up. If we look in here, hold on one sec, let me grab my light. All right, that's better. If you want one of these lights, go to the link in our description. You'll get 10% off. Use code 3PD. Anyways, if you can see down there, this is, I can't remember the exact word for it. Putting it up on the screen right now is completely seized up. It won't move at all. And you can see there's like a little bit of grime and stuff on here, which leads me to believe the internals of the carb are super messy as well. So I'm going to take it apart, see what it looks like on the inside, clean it out. We rejetted it and everything, so it's not like it needs new jets. So I'm just gonna clean it out, see if I can get it all working. So let's get into that. All right, so just quickly looking at it already, you can see already really gummy in there, which is not good and definitely the reason it's sticking. And this didn't have a proper seal on it, so I'm not sure if that has anything to do with it. I'm gonna keep taking it apart though and see what else is messed up. All right, so you can kind of see in there all that like crusty stuff, and I think I know where that came from. We bought this stuff a while ago, this cam dip carburetor cleaner. You basically just stick the parts in there and let it soak for a while. But one of the things I think I'm noticing is either we're doing it wrong because every time I've used this, my carbs have ended up looking like this, and then I have to re-clean them, and that's been really annoying. It happened twice to my TX. So either this stuff sucks, or it's out of its expiration date, or we're not using it right, and maybe there's some post-processing that you have to use with it. I'm guessing it's some kind of post-processing thing, but I'm gonna go ahead and just use standard brake clean and clean this stuff out with brake clean and a little toothbrush style thing, just because I know I won't have any issues with brake cleans. So I'm gonna get into that right now then. All right, I've finished cleaning this out now. It's nice and smooth, and the slaughter piece fits in, goes up and down again, nice. Also finished cleaning out the rest of it. And then I took apart the backside here and took all the jets out and stuff, and I'm letting those soak and cleaning those up, and then I'm gonna finish cleaning up this area, and I'm gonna reassemble it and put it together and then put it back in the bike. All right, so we got the carb all cleaned up now. Everything's working again. That's the wrong side. I'm running out of battery. Nice and smooth, closes all the way. So next step is throwing it on the bike and seeing if that fixes the issue. But that'll be in the next video. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Go check out our new website, 3pedaldevils.com. We got a lot of cool shit on there. Photos of stuff, and we got a couple items for sale. A t-shirt, a couple Towtel parts, And yeah, that's pretty much it.